How to fix YouTube sound not working on your Android device. There are some ways how you can fix this problem. The first way is you can directly go to YouTube, tap on it, and click on its settings. Once you go to the settings, you can see the option of force stop at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on force stop, then click on OK. Now try to open YouTube, play some songs or videos. If the sound is not working, I suggest you to clear the data. So go ahead and click on storage, then you can see the data, or you can see the cache as well. Go ahead and clear both of these. Go ahead and tap on clear cache, and go ahead and tap on clear data and click on delete. So now you can try opening YouTube. Once you open YouTube, you will have to log into your account once again. So after you log into your account, try opening or playing any type of music or videos. Your sound might come now. So guys, this is how easy it is to fix the YouTube sound not working on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.